So here we are in Pixlr Express, and I just want to take a photo that I took of the Dubai Marina skyscape, and just to add a few effects to it in Pixlr. Okay, so here's Pixlr Express. We've got 4 buttons to choose from: Browse, Open URL, Webcam, and Collage. We're going to click on Browse to find a file on our computer, and you need to locate the picture on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to find it. And I'm going to click open on my computer, and it will vary depending on what computer you're on. You get a parent to help you if you're struggling with that. Okay, here's the picture then that I took. Okay, and I can do some adjustments. There's all sorts of things and effects that I can add using Pixlr here. I don't want to go too overboard, but let's have a look at some of the things we can do. So I can go to borders. And there are some different types of borders that we can choose from there. I'm just going to go to maybe this one here, ink, and it's going to give me some different effects I can look at, and maybe have a look and see what that one does. And I'm going to click on apply. Hasn't added too much there, so let's see, maybe a different one will offer me much more. I'm going to choose. Okay, so you see some of the borders are much more pronounced than the other one, so I'm going to actually click cancel on that one. I'm going to go back to ink and maybe try this one here. Okay, that's perhaps a little bit better. Okay, so I don't want it to be quite as prominent as that, so I'm going to change the amount down. Okay, so it just gives my picture a dirty effect there. I'm going to click apply. Okay, so that's how to put a border on, and you choose which ones you want. Overlay, let's have a look and see what that does. Well, we've got some different types of effects that we can add there. Again, we don't want to go too much, but I'm just going to show you what one might look like. So I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to choose this one. And you can see we've got that pretty cool looking overlay there. Okay, and I quite like how that works with that picture there. Okay, so I'm going to click apply. And lastly, let's have a look at effect. We've got some different color effects here that we can choose. And we can see that it's slightly changing the colors. I'm going to go try one of those. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, it's made it a bit blurry as well. Okay, I'm going to click apply on that. Okay, there's some other things here, stickers, okay, and adjustments. Okay, lots of things you can do with that. Okay, I'll let you have a play around with that. I'm going to go to type as well, and I'm going to try and find something that will look good on mine. I'm going to go to novelty. I want to write in my device. Okay, well, that font's going to change. Okay, so I'm going to have a look through, find something that I like. I think I'll go with that one, and I'm going to move it up here and apply. Okay, and so there we can see, okay, that we've taken our picture, we've added a few effects to it, we've added some text, and we made it a bit more interesting. You don't have to do that, but it's something that you might want to do to improve your picture. I'm going to click on save, give it a name, and I'm going to click on save. It will then let me choose an area on my computer to save it to.